Hi, and welcome to this new video tutorial on Mia Platform. I am Massimiliano Bianchessi, I'm Senior Product Marketer in Mia Platform, and today I'm going to show you Audit Logs. Audit Logs provides essential monitoring capabilities for actions performed within our solution. This feature is designed to enhance transparency and accountability in your software development. Audit Logs offer crucial benefits. They are vital for security reasons, allowing you to detect and investigate suspicious activities and respond to security incidents effectively. Also, from a compliance standpoint, Audit Logs helps organizations meet regulatory requirements by providing record of operations. They also play a key role in operational efficiency, helping to troubleshoot issues, understand system behavior, and optimize processes. So let's understand how Audit Logs works in our console. So we are in Mia Platform console, and this is the company homepage. These are the companies. Each company represent a container of software projects. And to see Audit Logs, I have to enter into one of these companies. I see and I get access to Audit Logs only in company in which I am company owner. So for example, if I go to Mia Platform Showcase, in which I am a company owner, I scroll down my sidebar. Since I see administration section, here I can see my Audit Logs. But for example, if I see Audit Logs, if I go to, for example, core enterprise platform in which I am just a reporter, and I am scrolling down my sidebar, in the administration, I have no access to Audit Logs because, as you see before, I am just a reporter in this company. So let's get back to Mia Platform Showcase. Okay. And enter into Audit Log section. So this is a very simple interface, clear interface, but perfect for having a clear transparency, governance, and accountability on your software development. What you have here is the time and the data of in which you can see users performing action on some resources. So you have also the author of this action, the type of action, which is created, edited, or deleted, the resource with some additional information, and also the resource type. For example, here you can see like I added an environment, I deployed something, I create a new project. So you can have a clear governance of every action that author, users, also users and service accounts did into your company. And let me say that you want to check everything that happened into the month of June. It is very easy because just go here, select the month of June. So I select the 1st of June and I put the end of the month here. I select OK. And here I have a list of everything that happened in the month of June. And I can also like, for example, I want to know just the deleted resources for any reason that I have, and here I have some deleted resources, and I could have also some additional information because here I have a drawer that show me some additional information from, for example, the ID, time, author, action, the resource type, the request path, and also user agents. So this is a very easy interface, but clear, that helps organization to have clear transparency and accountability over software development. So here you have everything as a platform team to make audit on user section as a so that's it. This is Audit Log. If you have any question, please leave a comment, and if you want to know more, please ask for a demo. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.